Welcome back. Up next, Forum Daily's cryptocurrency and digital asset update with Catherine Murray, host of The Buck Stops Here. All yours, Catherine.
Thank you, Nima. Hello, everyone, and welcome to your weekly crypto and digital asset update. I am Catherine Murray. Well, once again, we have seen a tight correlation between stocks and crypto assets this week, and really some violent and sharp moves. That, of course, as investors continue to digest Russia invading Ukraine. Interestingly, though, stocks and crypto assets are much higher right now. The Dow up by over 700 points and crypto assets up significantly as well, on the back of reports that Russia is willing to hold high-level discussions with Ukraine. Over the past 24 hours, on the back of that news and those reports, we have seen Bitcoin up by about 10% and Ether up by 13%. Just to put everything into perspective right now, the total market cap for digital assets, crypto assets, that is $1.6 trillion. And there's no change to Bitcoin's dominance, standing at about 42% of that $1.6 trillion, Ether at about 18%. Away from that, it certainly continues to be a very busy week of digital asset headlines. Interestingly, the Wall Street Journal has an article saying that it is time for financial advisors to help their clients in the cryptocurrency world, saying that it is not a fad and that it should be treated like other alternative assets. This might make sense, just given all the wealth that has been created within the digital world or crypto world. According to CoinMarketCap, that number of wealth creation stands at $2 trillion. A large number, no doubt about that. But just to put in perspective, the S&P 500 increased by $9 trillion. That is according to FactSet. Now, the reason to take note of this is to think about the impact that it has on the broader economy for the demand for goods and also, of course, prices. When we think about inflation, it is not only the goods that we see from a supply chain perspective that are being impacted. There's a lot more money chasing fewer goods. And, from that perspective, there's a lot of people talking about the rise in Florida home prices, perhaps also being significantly impacted by the crypto world. Away from that, we have heard in terms of the buy-in into this space, the New York Stock Exchange has submitted a crypto and non-fungible token trademark application. That's a mouthful. Fueling comments that the New York Stock Exchange, which of course is the world's largest marketplace to buy and sell stocks, might have its sights on the metaverse, as the document also included virtual reality and augmented reality products. And there is certainly no shortage of funding interest. Singapore crypto firm Amber Group raised $200 million, boosting its valuation to $3 billion. The funding was led by Temasek, which is Singapore's state-owned investment firm, and other investors included high-profile, well-known venture capital firms, Sequoia China, and also Tiger Global Investment Management. On the regulatory front, always important to keep our eyes on that. We want the regulators overseeing some aspects of this, that is for sure. The FBI is doubling down on crypto crimes with a new unit. And just circling back to the key story of the week that is rocking the world right now, of course, that is Russia invading Ukraine. A number of Ukrainian organizations have reportedly received donations in crypto. That is according to a blockchain analytics company called Elliptic. Apparently $1 million, US dollars that is, has been donated to volunteer groups, with the Ukrainian military nonprofit, which is called Come Back Alive, receiving $400,000 USD of Bitcoin yesterday. And in fact, the Washington Post has an article titled "The World's First Crypto War." Let's hope not. It's just interesting to see the use case of crypto. Nima, I'll leave it there. Back to you.
All right, thanks for that, Catherine. Definitely something to keep our eyes out for as the Russian invasion continues. All right, that was Catherine Murray, host of The Buck Stops Here. For more analysis and news on the markets, be sure to tune in to The Buck Stops Here.